Hey guys, it's Monday and it's another day to attempt if I could finish a vlog today. Today is gonna be a long day because we're starting at 9 a.m. We're going to Binondo. I'm gonna meet Pinky and the Sibs, do a food crawl, and then we're gonna go to Binondo. And then I have work because my client has a shoot later today. So I have to brief them on what to do before I enjoy Binondo. So let's see, how am I gonna do that? And how am I gonna vlog? I found them. Hi, Ma! I'm with Pinky!
Vlog yun?
Of course!
Sumama?
Hello, vlog.
Vlog ba lang?
Ay, vlog ba? Pwede naman picture.
Picture tayo, picture tayo. I don't know.
Hello to the vlog with people.
No.
We're in Binondo. We're currently here. Chwanki, long line. Binondo's oldest fast food since 1940. With Madam Pinky, Mama, and I, and of course, Alex. So we ordered Makimi and then Kiampong and Cafe Mezzanine. Pork Makimi. Wow! Wow!
Wow. Hindi mas sumama mag-ano ha.
Tani ako sa
Hindi mas sumama sa mga balat niya. Nagre-recharge pa. Nagre-recharge. Kasi karamihan ng kayo sa pisin. 15 ng kalpa. Peanut or sesame.
This is how you eat Chinese food, Arjun. Yes, ma. Can you rate it?
7 over 10. So-so. 6.
Rate it. Yes.
Rate it 1 to 10. Well done. Right. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know how to rate it. I'm bad at grading. I don't have the KPIs. I don't have the KPIs. Sa ilalim na
The pork makimi is not super salty, but it xiaolongbao, normal. Pork kiampong. I think that's the must try here in Swanky and Cafe Mezzanine. Fresh lumpia. Yay! Unboxing ni Pinky.
我是弓箭花式笔墨丹青，描绘江山。你是少年将军，凯旋而归，英姿勃发。
Wala naman. Parang may black sesame sa loob.
Do you recommend?
I would recommend for those who love sesame seed because it has sesame inside. And then, but I think it's more of the Filipino palate because the sauce is quite sweet, on the sweeter side. And
What can you say to RJ? He didn't like that.
it is because, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Mate. Mate, you should have open your palate. The other half of a Filipino cuisine, which is Chinese food. Chinese food, eh?
Napaisip ko kung Chinese food. Hindi. Taiwan.
Kasi I mean yung other half.
Anong masasabi mo, ma? Sa appetite ni Binky?
Go lang.
Si Alex.
Kahit napakainit.
Ayan.
Thank you guys. Alam niyo na. Tuloy mo yan, Jaya.
There's only one slice of milk.
Yes, Whitney Houston.
Anything else is
Evangelize na nga.
Kayo?
There's talaga envelope. Guys! Please support LGBT. Please support.
ako na naman ang pambungad.
Pambungad na awit. Cute. Sad.
niya ma. Klasiko.
Yun na.
Ayun mo. Ito na po. Parang napagod na siya.
Proseso na. Ako po ay nakatanggap ng 1,000. Oo, may customer ako, sir. Bumaba ka dyan. Ay, sir, good afternoon.
Ang iba pa rin yung labas ng chill lang na wala akong iniisip. Pauwi-pauwi. Ay, oo. Grabe yan. Sinabi
Grabe yung ini Jeff. Oo.
sabihin ko na uuwi na maya-maya. My goodness. Pag sinabi niya, hello na. Pag sinabi ko, uwi na kayo ngayon na. Kahit wala ko pa napupuntahan, hindi.